Subscribe to our channel. To get our videos, first hit the bell icon and get notified for every video.
Sushant Singh Rajput's case accused actress Rhea Chakraborty got arrested by the officials of NCB on 8 September under the charges of her involvement with a racket. According to the charges of NCB officials, Rhea Chakraborty bought, consumed, possessed and dealt with illegal stuff. The actress filed for a bail appeal at a Mumbai court, but that got rejected by the magistrate. The magistrate sent the actress to jail for 14 days of judicial custody. She is currently in the Baikula jail. She, with the help of her lawyer, Satish Mane Shinde, appealed for a bail second time at the Special Court of NDPS. But Rhea Chakraborty's second appeal for a bail also got rejected by the Special Court of NDPS. Not only Rhea, her brother Shavik, who is also remanded for 14 days judicial trial custody, bail appeal also got rejected. Now Shavik also has to stay in jail for 14 days remand, and that will end on 23rd September. But still, there is a way by which this brother and sister duo can avail their bail. Well, according to the latest reports, if their lawyer appeals to the High Court of Mumbai, then there is a chance for them. In his recent statement to media, Satish Mane Shinde, Rhea's lawyer, has revealed that they will approach the High Court soon. Satish Mane Shinde has revealed that they are just waiting for a copy of the order of the NDPS Special Court. As soon as they get the copy of the order from the court, they will apply for the bail third time at the High Court. In her second bail application, Rhea wrote that she was forced to confess self-incriminating statements. Rhea also wrote that she has no connection with the drug case, despite NCB having evidences against her. Next week, we will be able to see what they write in the bail application for the third time. So what do you think about this issue? Comment below and subscribe to our channel for more video updates.